How sales funnels actually work in a beginner-friendly way without tech overwhelm or complicated marketing language. If you've heard the word sales funnel and immediately felt confused, intimidated, or like it was only for big businesses, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a sales funnel really is, why you need one, and how simple it can actually be for your online business as a beginner. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar, while the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women launch their online businesses from home inside my membership, Home Biz Builders, but everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey, and it's built for real life, not perfect life. This video is part of my free 5-day clarity challenge, where I help you make simple decisions that make everything else in your online business easier. And if you want the workbook that goes with this challenge, you'll find the link to join in the description below. Day 1 covered services versus digital products, so you could pick your starting path. Day 2 helped you define who you help and what problem you solve. Day 3 turned that into your first simple offer idea. Today, in Day 4, we're connecting the dots by showing you how sales funnels actually work in a beginner-friendly way, so you can see how people go from finding you to trusting you, to buying from you, even if you're just getting started. Let's start with what a sales funnel really is in plain English. A lot of people hear sales funnel and picture complicated tech, paid ads, and big pushy marketing campaigns. So first, let's clear up what a sales funnel is not. It's not fancy software with 100 confusing features. It's not complicated automations that take weeks to set up, and it's definitely not scammy, high-pressure sales tactics. A sales funnel is simply the path someone takes from finding you to working with you or buying from you. That's it. It's just a path. Think of it like this. Someone discovers you, they get to know you, they decide to take a next step with you. Whether you sell a service, a tiny digital product, or both, people need 3 things. They need a way to find you, they need a way to trust you, and they need a clear next step when they're ready. A funnel just organizes that journey, so it's easier for them and for you. Now let's talk about the 3 core parts of a simple sales funnel. Every beginner-friendly funnel has 3 main pieces. You can get more advanced later, but you don't need more than these 3 to start. Part 1. A page that explains what you do. This could be a simple one-page website, a sales page for your offer, or even a free training page that introduces your topic and your help. The job of this page is to answer one big question for your visitor. Who is this for and how does it help me? So instead of a fancy long page with 20 sections, focus on clarity. Here's who this is for. Here's the problem they're facing. Here's how this offer or resource helps them. Part 2. A way to capture or accept payment. This is where someone says yes in a practical way. That yes might be joining your email list through an opt-in form, paying for your digital product on a checkout page, booking a call or session with you if you're offering a service. This is the moment where interest turns into action, either free or paid. You don't need a complicated system. One simple form or checkout page is enough to get started. Part 3. Follow-up. This is usually done through email, and this is where a lot of the relationship building happens. Follow-up helps you build trust over time, explain your offer more clearly. Stay connected even when you're not posting on social media every day. For a beginner, this could be as simple as a welcome email when they sign up, a short series of 2 or 3 emails sharing quick wins and introducing your offer. Occasional emails checking in, sharing tips, and reminding them how you can help. You do not need advanced automation or a super complex sequence to start. You just need clear, honest communication that helps them move forward. Now, let's talk about how this works for services and digital products, because funnels are not just for big course creators. If you offer a service, your funnel might look like this. Someone finds you through a post, a video, or a recommendation. They land on a simple page that explains who you help and what you do. They fill out a form or book a call. You follow up with a confirmation email, maybe a reminder, and then you run the session or service. Your emails and your page help them feel comfortable, informed, and confident about working with you. If you sell a digital product, your funnel might look like this instead. Someone finds your free content, maybe a YouTube video, a reel, or a blog post. You invite them to join your email list for a free checklist guide or mini training. They sign up and get that free resource on a simple page. Then your follow-up emails share more value and introduce a paid product that solves a related problem. Same structure. They discover you. They say yes to a next step. You follow up and invite them to something that helps them more deeply. The main difference is simply what the yes leads to, a call or a product. The mistake beginners make is thinking, I need every piece built and automated and perfect before I can start. You don't. You just need one clear path, one way for someone to move from discovering you to understanding you to taking a next step with you. This is exactly what I walk women through inside my free 5-day clarity challenge. The goal of this challenge is not to pressure you into building a full complicated funnel right away. It's to help you understand how all the pieces fit together so you stop feeling lost and start feeling in control. If you want the workbook that goes with this video and the rest of the clarity steps, you'll find the link to join the challenge in the description below. Inside the workbook, you'll see simple prompts to map out your own funnel path, even if it's your very first one. Now here's your action step for today, and it's very simple but powerful. Grab a notebook or your notes app and write down 3 things. Number 1, what someone sees first. This might be your Instagram bio, a YouTube video, a simple landing page, or even a link in your profile. This is the first doorway into your world. Number 2, what action they take next. Do they join your email list? Do they book a call? Do they buy a low-priced product? Write down the one step you want them to take. Number 3, how you follow up. Do you send one welcome email? Do you send 3 simple emails over a week? Do you invite them to a call or to check out your main offer? Even if your answers feel messy or incomplete right now, that's okay. Clarity comes before building. You are just mapping the path before you start plugging it into any tech. If you want, share your 3-step funnel draft in the comments below. For example, you could write, first they see my YouTube video, then they join my email list for a checklist, then I follow up with 3 emails and offer my mini product. I'd love to see what you're planning and where you are in the process. And if you want help turning this simple understanding into an actual working funnel with templates, support, and guidance, that's what we do inside Home Biz Builders. We take beginners through setting up simple, affordable funnels that match their life, their energy, and their offer without needing a big budget or a tech team. But for now, focus on clarity, not perfection. Check the description to join the free 5-day clarity challenge and grab the workbook that goes with this video. Use it to write out your own funnel path so you can stop guessing and start guiding people clearly. Write down what they see first, what they do next, and how you follow up. That's your first funnel. We can always make it fancier later. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.